snow in Chicago. Some places it's over 3 feet of snow. I mean, it's too much, like rain, snow, thunder, blizzard, everything at once. We're at Amber Inn, room 114, and I just got out to go move my car. This my car almost buried in snow, so I'll try to move it. Now, I don't know how I'm gonna get into the driver's side since the door is almost snowed off, but I'll try my best. Push it as hard as I can, move it towards that corner. You see that side there is no snow, but over here snow has almost covered the tire. So I need a miracle to get into my car now. This is David Okafor. See how bad it is bad here in Chicago. I'm glad I'm not on the road. I'm sorry for whoever is caught on the road. And I had Lakeshore Drive is closed up, and some Route 82, I mean a highway I-8 is closed up too. I mean closed down. So sorry for whoever is on the road now. It's a mess out here. Look at the windows. This is our room door. It's like snowed up and stuff. Woo! Man, you see all that? Wow, this is amazing. God is great. Because He created all this for a reason. Look at this mountain of snow. Now I'm digging in. Woo! 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 Can I get into my car? I hope I can. I will unlock it. Now, try to push. Hopefully. Yeah, I'm able to push. Push, push, push. Go back, push, push, push. I'm glad I'm doing this now because it would have been... Wow, look at that. I'm glad. Hopefully my tires can come out of this snow. I have a snow tires, but you never know. Well, I'll try to get out as soon as possible before it gets really worse. I believe, see my face, it's snowing, raining, thunder, lightning, everything. Woo.